Hello students, welcome to my channel eMath tutorial. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe my channel. Today we are going to see about the inventions and their inventors. Computer, invented by Charles Babbage in the year 1822. Television, invented by Philo Taylor Farnsworth II in the year 1927. Car, invented by Charles BENZ in the year 1886. Telephone, invented by Alexander Graham Bell in the year 1876. Bulb, invented by Thomas Alva Edison in the year 1879. Calculator, invented by BLAISE PASCAL in the year 1642. Dynamite, invented by Alfred Nobel in the year 1867. Radio, invented by Guglielmo Marconi in the year 1896. Air conditioner, invented by Willis Haviland Carrier in the year 1902. Bicycle, invented by Carl von Drais in the year 1817. Xerox machine, invented by Chester Carlson in the year 1928. Thermometer, invented by Galileo in the year 1593. Stethoscope, invented by Rein Laennec in the year 1816. Refrigerator, invented by William Cullen in the year 1748. Invented by WILBER and ORVILLE WRIGHT in the year 1903. Machine gun, invented by Richard Gatling in the year 1861. Sewing machine, invented by Elias Howe in the year 1846. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel.